Everybody, here we go. A new all-time high. We have done it. Kaspa has blown up past that all-time high. We are sitting at 0.045000 right now as I make this video, and the all-time high now is that is the all-time high. Okay, point 0 days range 0.045000. That is awesome. We have broken the all-time high. Congratulations, everybody. Right now we're up 8.07%. If we go to the daily, look at the volume coming in. Then we talked about that. We said if we could get some volume pushing up here as we do this, there you go, increasing volume. That's beautiful to see. All right, that's what an accomplishment. Congratulations, everybody. This has turned out, we talked about this if we were going to have enough gas to blow past, and we did it. There it is. We zoom out here. There was the previous all-time high. Let's put it right on there. Let's not cheat ourselves at all here. There it is, and we have officially blown up past that, right up to there. Okay, so now we officially have done it. That's incredible. Congratulations. Everybody should be super excited about this. This is great. We also have some other stuff going on here. I want to show you guys here on the Twitter account. If we go over there, if you guys are familiar with BitBoy, looking into Kaspa and seems promising. Checking out on the channel as we speak. Would love to see them on a tier 1 exchange. Maybe CoinMarketCap could fix their ranking. All right, now we talked about that before. Now we got everybody piling in here. So the tier 1 exchange crowdfund for Kaspa has been successfully completed. Thanks to your immense support. More details coming soon. The Kaspa browser wallet crowdfund is still live. Let's keep the momentum going. Let's see what it looks like. Show more. Let's check this out here. 5 hours ago. Congrats on the successful completion. They have any update down here? Well, they still have it's still live, but they completed it. We're way over the $30,000, so that's exciting. How about this article right here? This ought to get you pretty pumped. I found this just before I did the video. This is from CaptainAltcoin.com. Forget Bitcoin. Traders are piling into Kaspa. Top trader explains why the cost price can hit $4.50. That's awesome. Kaspa has shown remarkable strength against Bitcoin. It is now touted as a potential top performer in the current market cycle. Kaspa's performance has been so impressive that some traders have been selling their Bitcoin holdings to invest in Kaspa. The currency's strength is evident in its consistent performance, even in a bear market, leading many to believe that it could potentially outperform Bitcoin. One of the key factors contributing to Kaspa's success is its fair launch at a zero market cap. This approach has allowed for completely organic growth. With 70% of the coins already in circulation, this fast emission schedule was designed to account for the inevitable creation of ASICs for Kaspa. The currency's trading pattern is so textbook that it has raised eyebrows in some quarters. However, this is simply a result of its fair launch and organic growth rather than any underlying issues. In fact, the more one delves into Kaspa, the more it appears to be a solid investment. Kaspa has recently broken into the top 52 market cap coins according to CoinGecko. A significant achievement that has been met with increased buying power. The currency's performance has been so strong that there is speculation it could break its all-time high in the near future. It just did that as I'm making this video. There it is. Kaspa ranked number 52, up 9% on the day, and we hit 45.045 on 38,000 watch. The potential for $4.50 plus. Kaspa's potential is further highlighted by Crypto Trader when considering its supply, with a max supply of 28.7 billion coins. It is less than Cardano's circulating supply of at its all-time high. This suggests the target for Kaspa, such as $3 to $5, would require a similar level of capital inflow to what Cardano achieved at its peak. Now, we went through that. We went through the coin market cap, we compared the circulating supplies, and we compared the all-time highs before. Okay, no doubt in my mind. If Kaspa were to experience the same level of growth as Cardano, it could potentially reach a price tag of $4 plus, considering its max supply and expected mining emission schedule. Kaspa's fundamentals are equally impressive. It is the proof of work to achieve a block time of 1 block per second, a world record that is set to break again with the launch of 10 blocks per second on the mainnet. It gets more exciting as I read it. Discover the edge in crypto trading with Unibot. Okay, that goes on to something else, but when we launched the mainnet, 10 blocks a second. Kaspa is built with the same ethos as Bitcoin, aiming to create a stateless money that can scale. The introduction of smart contracts will allow Kaspa to support the first truly decentralized economy at scale, offering usable, low-cost, fast, efficient applications built on a network as fairly launched and operated as Bitcoins. In the last 24 hours, Kaspa has seen a price increase of 9.1%, with trading volume of 21.6 million. The price of Kaspa is currently at 0.0413. The 24-hour low and high for Kaspa were 0.0375 and 0.0424, respectively. In conclusion, Kaspa's potential is undeniable. It is not only capable of reaching valuations similar to Cardano, but it could potentially see even higher valuations in the long term. The Kaspa community has created something truly remarkable, and it is undoubtedly one of the most exciting developments in the crypto world today. How about that? $4.50. Absolutely. We went through this. I've showed you guys coin market cap, similar coins with similar circulating supplies and their highs. $4.50, no question about it. Okay, and this coin is at 4.5 cents right now. All right, so congratulations. I'm sure there's a lot of millionaires out there watching this video right now holding this coin, and congratulations to everybody. All right, we well foreseeded that. We're going to take a look at the RSIs here in a second and see where they're at. But this thing, like we've done before, we had a target up here, right up at that all-time high, and we have peaked right through that. So incredible. That's great. We got the volume coming in that we wanted down at the bottom here, and that's fantastic. All right, and I'm sure the volume's going to keep piling in today. This is just the start. Right now it's up 7.73%. We poked that new all-time high, which was absolutely fantastic. And we're going to look at the RSIs here. And I have a new, I went through my my YouTube channel there. I started some different levels. For 99 cents, you can become a member of the channel. Definitely helps. And there's different tiers. I have a third tier where I put out one video today. I'm starting to learn how teach how to people how to everything I know about trading. How to use Fibonacci's, how to use figure out falling wedges. Trend lines, RSIs, everything I know. Okay, so I put that in a level 3. But you can go check the levels out on there. But I didn't know you could put a 99-cent one there. So, if any of you guys out there want to join, that would be fantastic. And I also have the link for MEXC in the description of the video if you're into long in and short in the market. I would appreciate that. That helps me out a little bit too. Every little bit helps when you're a little guy on YouTube. Gives me a little bit, towards. Putting all this stuff together. So, all right, guys, let's take a look at these RSIs on here and see where we're at. Okay, the daily, Look at that. The daily RSI is just turning up. All right, so this could be far from over. All right, this is really starting to make me think if maybe a one was right here, a 1-2, and this, I don't know if this was a one. Okay, I've debated over that and debated over it, but it doesn't look like a 1-2 to me. But if it was. Alright, let's get a look at this thing for a second. Alright, that would give this thing a target. It's not. I don't see that right now, okay? Up to 7 cents. No question that's we're going to blow past that in the future, but that was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, okay? This blow off top, like I said, if we get volume coming in, we could possibly beat that all-time high we did. But we still have that daily RSI going up, okay? Now this last run with the daily RSI gave us, right from the bottom to the top, gave us 120% in this run right here on the RSI, right there in that run up, okay? 120%, all right? Nope. Sorry about that, guys. Scratch that. Yeah, that was this run right here to here. I apologize. 92%. Okay, that was this run here, right to there, and right down here on the RSI. That would have been that run right to there. Okay, so 92%, almost 100%. Not too shabby. Okay, so if this run here ended up doing 90%. Right from the bottom to the top, 80, shoot, ran out of room here. Let's try that one more time. 90%, just if it did, just to take a look here, that would put us up around the 6 cent mark, 7 cent mark. We'll see what happens here. We got that weekly getting up there a little high, okay? All right, so let's get a look. The daily's just coming up. The weekly is just, it's still bullish though. It's at a 92 and an 87. All right, so this thing could have some more leg to it. All right, if this is a third wave, like we've talked before, if this is a 1 to the top, down there to the 2, if this turns into be a 3, all right, this thing could be shooting up there. That gives us an 18 cent shot here if it was, okay? If this turns out to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in here, all right, you got your 1, 2. If this 3 ends up pulling, and it'll, it could come up there pretty far. Fourth wave pullback in there, fifth blow off. Wherever up to, it could happen. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens here. The reason I say that is because this weekly RSI can stay up there for a while. Okay, it's a fact. It can stay up there a long time. I've seen it. It'll get up here and it'll do something like this. It'll stay up there, curve down a little bit, go back up, stay up there. Yeah, I've seen it before many times. Okay, so if this is a third wave, this thing could be going a lot higher. Maybe a 1, 2 in here inside this third wave. Would that look like a 1, 2? We're gonna have to see how far this thing goes. Might have underestimated it. If that was the third wave, up to 7 cents, a pullback, and then a shot up to 15. Because you have waves inside of waves, okay? You had an ABC in here, and then if this was a bigger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that was if you get what I'm saying here, you got your 1, 2, your 3, okay? Now let's forget about the 4, 5, all right? But inside here, you would have 5 waves, okay? You would have, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside of that wave 3. So we'll see what happens here, okay? I might be just getting a little bit too excited here. But the weekly is at the top, but it's still bullish. The 12-hour is getting near the top, but it's still bullish. It's at a 192. The 8 hour still bullish at a 197. The 4 hour 94.80 just flip bearish. Okay, so what could end up happening here? Let's see where we're at. We have a support line right up here. Let's put it there because that's the area we broke through. Okay, which was right up at that previous all-time high right there. Okay, now that we broke that, all right, now that we have a new all-time high, some of these RSIs are going to have to cool off a minute. Okay, we could come back and retest this at this former resistance right here as support now for, I don't know, a day or so, and then give this another run. That would give that 8 hours at the top. The 12 is near the top. Okay, but you can see what the 12 can do down here. Right, the 12 can stay up there a while. Okay, it could just go round and round, but that would give the 8 and the 4 a chance to cool down and get back to the bottom. Especially if we get up here, we consolidate here for a day or so and then give another run. All right, that's what I see honestly happening. It could pull down. Let me see here. Could actually pull down to this area right there. That looks like a better support range. That's very good support there, with support through there. All right, so that looks like a better area for it to pull back to. So maybe a pullback to 0.0404 right down here. A little bit of consolidation sideways for a day or two, and then another shot up here. But our daily is only up at a 50. It's at a 47 and a 31. So congratulations, everybody. What a huge day for Kaspa. Definitely grabbing attention out there. I knew it wouldn't take long, and the bigger guys would start jumping in here. You got BitBoy jumping in here now. So, but we were all here first, man. Be proud of that. The crowdfunding, the big exchange listing is coming. That's going to shoot price higher. Get excited, man. It's really going to start flying here pretty soon. This coin is up massive. The crypto bubbles for the day. Let's get a look at that. There's Kaspa, plus 9%. Right now we are at rank number 46. All right. And for the year, we are up 6,850%. That is just absolutely ridiculous. All right. If we go down here, there it is. Hold on. Nothing even close. Plus 6,000. 1 month we're up 85%. This coin is just, it's the tops right now in crypto, for sure. Number 46. Congratulations, everybody. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.